guys, welcome to my channel. Let's make this video animation using Canva. The first thing we are going to do is हम पहले एक background select करेंगे जो भी हमें चाहिए. Then we are going to add a text that we want. Then I'm gonna select effect, lift. Here I'm changing the font जो मुझे चाहिए. According to your choice, you can select the font you want. Adjust the title in the middle of the photo. I'm going to save this as a PNG. And delete this one. जो फोटो हमने अभी सेव किया है उसको हम री-अपलोड करेंगे. अभी हम एलिमेंट्स में जाकर प्लेन सर्च करेंगे. देन सिलेक्ट द प्लेन यू वांट. After completing that, we are going to add a shape. Now I am going to add a shape to fill this spot right here and choose the color you want. I am choosing this one. Click on plane, layers, bring it to front and select all, group it and drag the image to the left, then ungroup. Now group all the elements including the plane. Drag to the left and duplicate. Here you can write your text, for example travel. अभी हम टाइमिंग सेट करेंगे. Now we are going to choose the animation baseline. अभी ट्रांजिशन ऐड करेंगे, मैच एंड मूव. Now we are going to second page. We going to hold shift and then drag from left to right. Here we go, our animation video is ready. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.